Welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into the world of online loans with monthly payments or online loans with reoccurring payment, specifically our installment loans and line of credit. If you're curious about how online loans and monthly payments or reoccurring payments work, or if you have questions how a personal line of credit might be the right financial tool for you, stick around and we will cover all the details. Let's start by talking about our online loan options. We'll start with an installment loan first and then a line of credit. Stay tuned. So what exactly is an installment loan, you might be wondering? An installment loan is an online loan that is broken up into multiple monthly payments or recurring payments that are smaller and more manageable for you to do and pay off rather than a single lump payment. Each payment is known as an installment, hence the name. At NetPay Advance, the payments are scheduled on each of the borrower's payday to make it easier for you. For example, ours is set over a period of time, which is 180 days. So these types of loans can be like your home loan, your auto loan, your student loan. These are all examples of installment loans. They typically allow you to borrow more money rather than a single pay loan. If you are in an eligible state, borrowers can access up to $1,200 through an installment loan with NetPay Advance. And the best part is our application takes minutes to complete and you'll receive an instant decision. If you're approved, funds will be deposited the same day to your accounts if you have a valid debit card on file. That's why we always recommend having a valid debit card on file so you can get your funds faster. If you don't have a debit card on file, don't worry, funds will be deposited as soon as the next business day. All right, now let's talk about how these loans actually work. With an online installment loan, you can borrow a larger sum of money than you typically would with a traditional personal loan. You then pay down the total fixed payment rather than all at once. The payments are scheduled around your paydays for your convenience. This could be bi-weekly, bi-monthly, or even monthly depending on your case. Together, this makes budgeting a whole lot easier since you know exactly how much you owe each time when it's due. These payments include the borrowed amount, which can be called the principal amount plus interest and a cap fee. The total amount you pay is determined by the loan amount and the length of time of the term and the interest rate. These variables are fixed, meaning they stay constant throughout the lending process. So you may be wondering, why might you choose an installment loan over other type of loans? One big reason that there's no hard credit check is required for an installment loan through NetPay Advance. That means many find it easier to get approved funds compared to a credit card or a traditional loan, especially if their credit isn't perfect. Another reason is flexibility. Installment loans allow you to pay off the loan ahead of schedule, which can help save money on interest, and there's no penalties to paying off a loan early. So if you have the funds, go for it. But don't worry, there's no obligation to pay above your scheduled payment amount. Looking for a loan that might be a little bit more flexible, then a line of credit might be perfect for you. That being said, with a line of credit, you can access funds whenever you need them up to your credit limit without the hassle of replying every single time. It's faster, more flexible solution compared to a traditional payday loan. Plus, it's another type of online loan with a monthly or reoccurring payment. Easy online applications. Just submit your application online with no hard credit check and get an instant decision. We offer credit limits up to $3,000 for residents in multiple states. So go ahead and check the state list to see if we're offered in your area. Another pro is flexible borrowing and quick funding. Use your online account to our Cash Advance app to withdraw funds when needed. Same day or next business day, funding is available. Another pro is transparent account statements. View your statement at any time and see exactly what's happening with your loan. Another one is flexible payment options. Pay off your loan quicker by paying off more than your minimum payment. And then continuously borrowing power. Borrow and repay as needed. You're up to your credit limit without the need to reapply each time. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know when you're considering to get an installment loan or a line of credit. Both provide flexibility and control over your finances. Remember, with no hard credit checks required, it's easy to get started. But best of all, it can help avoid having to make one lump sum payment. If you have any questions or more information or need more information, go ahead and drop a comment below or visit our website. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.